Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable real estate depreciation basics with Stessa step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Stessa account. If you don't have an account yet, visit stessa.com to register for free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Properties tab on the left-hand menu. Select the property for which you want to enable real estate depreciation. On the Property Details page, look for the Income and Expenses section. Click on the Add Expense button to input your property-related expenses. Make sure to include all relevant costs such as repairs, maintenance, and improvements. Next, check the Depreciation section within the Property Details. Stessa will guide you to set up depreciation based on the purchase price and property classification. Enter the purchase price of the property, excluding land value. Define the property type residential or commercial as this affects the depreciation schedule. After inputting the necessary information, click Save to apply your changes. Stessa will automatically calculate the annual depreciation based on the details provided. You can view your depreciation summary under the Reports tab. This report will give you an overview of your property's depreciation over the years. If you make adjustments to your property or expenses, return to the Income and Expenses section to update records. Review your depreciation report regularly to ensure accuracy and compliance. Finally, consult with a tax professional to understand how depreciation impacts your overall tax strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.